Okay, there's a couple of things that I have a problem with on my Hero 7 Black since I got it in March from Best Buy. First, it's very difficult to open this latch. Really have to work at that. The other part is very difficult to get the camera out of the frame here. I'm really having to push hard. As you can see, it even popped it out. The next part that's difficult is this hinge on the battery door. I'm pressing in as hard as I can, and it's really difficult to get this to open. And it finally does come open. You can see the door only comes open part of the way, and to get it to open the rest of the way you really have to push hard on the hinge to do that. Then to get it to close, push down, and it's very difficult to get it to snap back into place. I've got, as you can see, I'm filming this with my old Hero 4, and I just don't have that problem at all trying to get the batteries in and out.